Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you that what does the repost button on Instagram do? If you're using Instagram and you're having this type or double arrow or repost button, and if you want to know that what does this button do, so that video is for you. So first of all, if you have this button, so it means that you can easily repost that post. So you have to simply tap on that and the post will be reposted. You can see that you reposted this reel. Now let's try that. What is that meaning? If you have reposted the post, it means that you have to reshare this post along to your profile. Or once you have reposted any post, it will not show on your profile, but you will get that this type tag that you have reposted it. And when your follower or your friend will see this post, he will get tagged here that you have reposted it. So but your reposted post will not show up to your profile or anywhere, but it will get into this reposted section. So and that's what does the repost button do on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.